This is a BEcom Humidifier, stock number 26921. We're going to turn the power on. Here's mode 1, this is just steam. Now we'll go on to mode 2. This is steam and heat. Turn the power off.